Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And to those who haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Your support is much needed, guys, for the channel to grow. Okay, as you can see, today we are doing something simple. I'll be showing you how to do the macaroni snack. Okay, as you can see, we have our pot and water. We want to boil our macaroni, guys. We add salt. We'll also add oil, like that. Now we add our macaroni, guys. And we let them boil. We are checking our macaroni, guys. And as you can see, they are cooked. We don't want to overcook them. Now we'll drain the water and let them cool. Guys, we have drained the water, you can see. Now, put that aside. We beat our egg. We add salt. We are done with our egg. Now we add our spices. We add black pepper. We add paprika. Then we'll also add our beaten egg there. Like that. We'll also add flour, 2 tablespoons of flour. Then we'll mix. You mix well. Like that. Now we fried them. Guys, as you can see, we have already heated our oil. Now we add make sure your oil is heated. For better results. We need to separate them. We'll fry them until they are golden brown. It's a nice snack, guys. Guys, as you can see, we are not yet there. We are frying them until they are golden brown. Guys, as you can see how they have turned out to be. You can see we have attained our brown color. You can see them. Now we take them off. are crispy, guys. We have the next one. We need to separate them. Like that. You can turn them. You can see how they are turning color. You can see, guys, they're almost there. You can see even the color. You can see, guys, they are good, they are nice. You take them off. You can save the oil. You are saving the oil. Guys, as you can see, we are done with our macaroni snack. Guys, try this recipe. It's very tasty, it's very crispy and affordable too. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and remember, we are on road to 100 subscribers. Continue subscribing to my YouTube channel. Your support is much appreciated. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.